Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. I'm going to take a minute during today's inspection, and we're going to talk about a pest that most people are not familiar with. We call them copper termites. You can see the evidence of them right here, where all the wires have been cut off. Up here, all the wires in the panel out here have all been cut. Well, copper termites are not a real pest or a real animal. We find them a lot in foreclosures, auction sold houses, where people have come in, cut the wire at the easy points, ripped it all out to get their copper to take and sell for scrap. So for all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions here in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East, call Hawley Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. And we can help you determine if you have copper termites, regular termites, or anything else going on with your home. Have a safe and wonderful day. Thank you.